When it comes to preparing a perfectly roasted turkey, succulent roast beef, or caramelized vegetables for a holiday feast or family gathering, the right cooking tool can make all the difference. For many home cooks, the choice boils down to two popular options: the classic roasting pan or the modern electric roaster. Each has its own loyal fan base and unique advantages, but how do you decide which one is best for your kitchen? Whether you're drawn to the traditional charm and versatility of a roasting pan or intrigued by the convenience and efficiency of an electric roaster, understanding their differences can help you elevate your cooking game. From size and design to flavor impact and energy use, this detailed comparison will guide you through everything you need to know about these two culinary workhorses, helping you make an informed decision for your next big meal. Size and capacity. A traditional roasting pan is a rectangular or oval-shaped metal pan with high sides designed to hold large cuts of meat or poultry. Standard roasting pans fit inside conventional ovens, limiting their size based on the oven's dimensions. Most roasting pans can accommodate turkeys up to 20 pounds, making them ideal for medium-sized family meals or holiday gatherings. However, if you're preparing a larger bird or multiple dishes simultaneously, the oven space can quickly become crowded. Electric roasters are standalone appliances that come in various sizes, typically ranging from 6 quarts to 22 quarts. Larger models can handle turkeys weighing up to 28 pounds, offering more capacity than most roasting pans. Their compact design allows them to sit on countertops without taking up oven space. This makes electric roasters particularly useful for large gatherings or when your oven is already in use for other dishes. Additionally, their portability allows them to be used in different locations, such as outdoor events or buffet setups. Design and features. Roasting pans are simple in design but highly effective. They are made from durable materials like stainless steel, carbon steel, or cast iron and often come with a removable rack. The rack elevates the food above the pan's surface, allowing hot air to circulate evenly around the meat while collecting drippings below for gravy or sauce preparation. Some roasting pans feature non-stick coatings for easier cleaning, while others are designed for stovetop use as well. Electric roasters are more complex in design and functionality. These appliances consist of an enclosed cooking chamber with adjustable temperature controls, typically ranging from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a removable inner pan for easy cleaning, and a rack for elevating food. Many electric roasters also include self-basting lids that help retain moisture by recirculating condensation within the chamber. Some models offer additional features like slow cooking settings, steaming capabilities, or even buffet-style serving trays that keep food warm during events. Cooking method. The cooking method is one of the most significant differences between these two tools. A roasting pan relies on dry heat from a conventional oven to cook food. The open design exposes the food directly to the oven's heat source, which promotes browning and caramelization on the surface of meats and vegetables. The drippings collected in the pan can be used to make flavorful gravies or sauces. An electric roaster uses convection heat within its enclosed chamber to cook food evenly. The sealed environment traps moisture and heat more effectively than an open oven setup, resulting in tender and juicy meats. The convection-style cooking ensures consistent results without requiring frequent monitoring or basting. While both methods achieve similar outcomes, the choice depends on your preference for texture and moisture retention. Cooking time. Electric roasters generally cook food faster than conventional ovens with roasting pans due to their smaller cooking chambers and efficient heat retention. For example, a turkey that might take 4 hours in a traditional oven could be done in about 3 hours in an electric roaster. This time-saving advantage is particularly beneficial during holidays when multiple dishes need to be prepared simultaneously. In contrast, roasting pans used in conventional ovens may require longer cooking times because of heat loss when the oven door is opened or less efficient heat transfer compared to electric roasters. Additionally, traditional ovens may take longer to preheat compared to electric roasters. Food taste and texture. The taste and texture of food cooked in a roasting pan versus an electric roaster can vary significantly due to differences in cooking methods. Foods cooked in a roasting pan often develop a crispier exterior due to direct exposure to dry heat from the oven. This method is excellent for achieving golden brown skin on poultry or caramelized crusts on roasted vegetables. However, because of this dry heat exposure, meats may become slightly drier if not monitored carefully or basted regularly. Electric roasters excel at retaining moisture because of their sealed environment. This results in tender and juicy meats that are less likely to dry out during cooking. However, this moisture retention can sometimes prevent foods from developing a crispy exterior unless additional steps, such as broiling, are taken after cooking. Ultimately, if you prioritize crispy textures and browning, a roasting pan may be the better choice. If you value moist and tender results with minimal effort, an electric roaster is ideal. Energy efficiency. Electric roasters are significantly more energy efficient than conventional ovens using roasting pans. They consume less energy because they heat a smaller space more effectively and maintain consistent temperatures without requiring frequent adjustments. For example, an electric roaster typically uses around 1 kilowatt-hour per hour compared to an oven's consumption of 2 to 3 kilowatt-hours per hour. Roasting pans require the use of an entire oven, which consumes more energy, especially if you're only preparing one dish at a time. However, ovens can handle larger volumes of food simultaneously when cooking multiple dishes alongside the roast. For those looking to reduce energy costs or environmental impact, an electric roaster is the more efficient option. Ease of use and cleaning. Ease of use and cleaning are important considerations when choosing between these tools. Roasting pans are straightforward but require careful handling due to their weight when loaded with food. Removing a heavy pan from a hot oven can be challenging without proper tools or experience. Cleaning can also be labor-intensive if drippings burn onto the pan surface or if it lacks a non-stick coating. Electric roasters are user-friendly with precise temperature controls that minimize guesswork during cooking. Most models feature removable inner pans and racks that are dishwasher-safe or easy to clean by hand. Their compact design also makes them easier to store compared to bulky roasting pans. Overall, electric roasters offer greater convenience both during use and cleanup. Versatility. While both tools are versatile in their own ways, electric roasters tend to offer more functionality. A roasting pan is primarily used for roasting meats and vegetables but can also double as a baking dish for casseroles or lasagnas. Some models are compatible with stovetops for tasks like searing or braising before transferring dishes into the oven. Electric roasters are highly versatile appliances capable of performing multiple functions beyond roasting. They can bake cakes or bread, steam vegetables or seafood, slow-cook soups or stews, defrost frozen foods, or even keep dishes warm until serving time. This multifunctionality makes them ideal for cooks who need flexibility in meal preparation. Portability. Electric roasters have a clear advantage when it comes to portability. Their compact design allows them to be easily transported for outdoor events like barbecues or potlucks where access to an oven may not be available. They also free up valuable oven space during large gatherings by serving as an additional cooking appliance. In contrast, traditional roasting pans lack portability since they depend on an oven for operation. Cost considerations. The cost difference between these tools depends on initial purchase price and long-term usage. Roasting pans are generally less expensive than electric roasters upfront but require access to an oven for use. Electric roasters cost more initially but save money over time through reduced energy consumption, especially if used frequently instead of relying on a full-sized oven. For occasional cooks who already own an oven, a roasting pan may suffice as an economical choice. However, frequent cooks or those hosting large gatherings might find the investment in an electric roaster worthwhile. When to choose each. Roasting pan. Choose this option if you already have access to a reliable oven and prioritize crispy textures or browning in your dishes. Electric roaster. Opt for this appliance if you need additional cooking capacity during holidays/events, prefer tender results, want energy efficiency, or require versatility beyond just roasting, e.g., slow cooking. In conclusion, both roasting pans and electric roasters have distinct advantages depending on your needs. A roasting pan offers simplicity with excellent browning capabilities but relies heavily on your oven's performance. An electric roaster provides convenience with faster cooking times while ensuring moist results, making it invaluable during holidays/events where space efficiency matters most.